YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I recently unboxed this. It's a Tory Burch Cosmetic bag, and I said that it was comparable to a Gucci cosmetic that's currently available and a Chanel cosmetic that's currently available, and I'll link those below so if you want to check them out. I had several people request to see what I keep in this, what fits, so I'm doing a what's in my cosmetic bag today. So let's unzip it. It's nice and roomy. I've been loving it so far, and before I unzip it, let's give you some dimensions because I did not measure it in the unboxing video. So it is 5.5 across, it looks like. I said it was about 4 by 6, and about 3 3/4 inches tall, and then just over 2 inches in depth there. All right, let's unzip this baby and see what is inside. I've fit a ton of stuff in here. As you can see, it's packed. And what I did was I had my Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire, and I just transferred everything into that, so I'm not carrying that in my bag now. That was a limited edition graffiti piece with lithographing on it, and I didn't want to keep that in my bag because I was worried it would start to get ruined rubbing up against things. So that's part of the reason I got this, to replace that bag, and I can use the other bag more sparingly. So let me take everything out and show you. So this I just stuffed in the other day. It's a scrunchie for my hair. That's how I do my hair. I've got these. These are my little glasses that I showed you, little folding glasses that I got from Amazon. Very cool, and they fit in there just great. It's perfect for when I can't carry my full-size glasses because I'm in a smaller bag. I also have my little pill case, and the paper that on the other side of this paper, it tells me what my pills are. I have this little pouch from Louis Vuitton, and inside that I have, I think I showed you these last time too. They're little applicators that I can put my lip balm on with. I just tuck them in this little pouch to keep them clean. Here's my lip balm from Luxe DH. I think that's how people said I should pronounce that. I have this, I forget what it's called, but it's a bag holder, a pen. This is from Pen Gems. And anything I can link below, I'll do that. Another scrunchie, I always have those. My Tide to Go pen, that thing works fantastically well. Used it many times. A little stylus for my phone, a Swiss Army knife, and that's all that's in the big pocket. But then it also has this little side pocket here, a slip pocket on the inside, and in that my Vuitton clay fits perfectly. And inside that I have my spare car keys for my car and the boyfriend's car. So that is what is in the Tory Burch Cosmetic case. It fits everything I need perfectly well. It's easy to find stuff. I think because of the thickness of it, it looked probably messy when I opened it up at first, but I've had no trouble finding anything in it. So I think it's a great piece. It's a great value when you compare the price of this, which was $118, I believe. Compare that to $530 for the Gucci piece that's pretty much exactly the same as this. Or compared to the Chanel piece, which was more like $700, I want to say. So if you don't want to spend that much on those luxury pieces, this is a beautiful little piece that looks very similar to the Chanel and Gucci pieces, and I'm really loving it so far. So if you're thinking about getting it, go ahead and get it. I think you'd enjoy it too. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button below, click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and remember to click the bell notification icon so you're notified when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.